y percent of a number n is equal to k, what is 3% of n? Let's interpret this. If y percent of a number, when you have percentage of a number, it is that percentage times that number. If it is equal to k, you'll be asked what is the 3% of n. First of all, let's break it down. Solution: y percent of a number n is y over 100. Y percent is y over 100 of a number n. That is y over 100 times that number n. And it says that this number is equal to k. So this is the interpretation of that. Y percent of a number is n and is equal to k. Now if we solve this, we have that n, yn all over 100 is equal to k. Let's make n the subject of the formula. By making n the subject of the formula, we're going to have y, this is over 1, crossing equality sign. We have as yn is equal to 100k. 100 times k, y times this. So we now have that n is equal to 100 divided by y. So this is the value of 100k rather divided by y. This is the value of n. Now the question says, what is 3% of n? The whole of this is n. So what is 3% of n? This is n. N is 100k over y. What is the 3% of n? So 3% of n is 3%. That is 3 over 3% of n. That is 3 all over 100 times n. And what is the value of n? The value of n is 100k over y. So we have 3 over 100 times 100k all over y. The whole of this is representing n. So this will be equal to 100 can cancel 100. So we'll be left with 3k all over y. So this is